Have you ever wondered how a single screenshot can stir up a storm in the crypto world? Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a whirlwind of rumors, excitement, and a whole lot of speculation surrounding Meme's upcoming token generation event. Buckle up, because this ride is about to get intense. So, picture this. You're casually scrolling through your feed when suddenly a screenshot stops you in your tracks. It claims that if you don't have at least 10 levels in Meme, you're out of the airdrop game. Panic sets in. Your heart races. But wait a minute. Before you hit the panic button, let's dig into what's really going on. Here's the scoop. That screenshot has been spreading faster than wildfire, creating quite a buzz. But is it the real deal? Well, I've done my homework, and let me tell you, things aren't always as they seem in the chaotic world of crypto. First, let's break down what we know. Meme recently hosted a space that got everyone talking. During this space, hints about the token generation event were dropped like breadcrumbs. Naturally, speculation began to run rampant. One keen observer even suggested that the event might be slated for September 15th, with the launch following 2 weeks later. But here's the twist. Meme never confirmed this date. Instead, they've been playing it cool, advising everyone to re-listen to the space. I've replayed that space more times than I'd like to admit, trying to crack the code. If any of you think you figured it out, drop your theories in the comments below. Let's put our heads together and see if we can unravel this mystery. Now, for the big reveal, Meme has announced that they will be revealing the token generation event date tomorrow. That's right. Get your alarm set, cancel those dinner plans, and prepare for some major crypto action. But let's circle back to that alarming screenshot about needing 10 levels. Here's my take. It smells fishier than a week-old sushi roll. There are two possible scenarios. It's a fake. Someone might be having a laugh, trying to stir up trouble with a doctored screenshot. It was a mistake. Maybe it was a real post that Meme quickly realized was incorrect and deleted before it could spread further. As of now, Meme hasn't officially confirmed any 10-level requirement. So relax, your airdrop dreams are still very much alive. With the token generation event on the horizon, here's your game plan. Stay informed. Keep your eyes on Meme's official channels. Twitter, Telegram, you name it. Information is your best ally in the crypto game. Get prepared. Make sure your Meme account is in tip-top shape. You don't want to be scrambling at the last minute. Spread the word. The strength of meme coins lies in their community. The more buzz we create, the better our chances of riding this rocket to the moon. Stay skeptical. Not everything you read is gospel. Keep your BS detector on high alert. Have fun. Remember, crypto is all about the thrill of the chase. Enjoy the ride and stay excited. We're on the brink of something huge here. Meme isn't just another flash in the pan, it's a movement. Imagine waking up one day to find those MemeFi tokens skyrocketing. It could soon be a reality with the token generation event just around the corner. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.